also include this vein pack blockage because the location of this PAH is upstream of the vein pack.
Okay.
Right?
When not required.
No. This should be full close when required because it's creating high pressure. Yeah. Full close when
Okay. It is not when required.
when required. Yeah.
Okay. So
And
potential hyperexposure leading to LOPC.
and blockage of vein pack also because if you see in the P90 Chairman, this location of the PSD, the PAH is upstream of this vein pack, right?
Yeah.
So a blocking of this vein pack will also create this high pressure.
Yeah. But this is more credible scenario than this. This is more credible. Okay. So now, since this is the LOPC, so we'll take.
No, this is already a trip. So loss of production.
Yeah. Tripping. Loss of production.
No, the consequence here is potential. Okay.
Loss of production. And this is the 55 minutes, right?
No, Chairman. This consequence, the consequence of inaction is loss of production.
Yeah.
Now, the corrective action is operator needs
why loss of production?
No, because already it's stripped, right? So if you don't do anything, you continue to lose production, right? Now here, what we're saying here is for restart, right? Take action to restart.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're right. So this is a ESD function, but we have response time load. So this is notable. This is low risk. This is not urgent. Low plus no urgent is P3.
P3.
Many controls here, many safeguards. Yeah. So this PH 079, this is unique, this is typical, right?